How's it going, friends? My name is Mike. This channel over here is Health and Wealth. Thanks for joining me today. Just hanging out with my tripod. I thought I'd do a video. When I started this channel, I started talking about distributions, dividends, investing, things like that. And that's definitely where the focus of this channel goes. But I had a mindset of like, why am I doing this? And the mindset was to the dream, right? The dream is retirement as soon as possible. But I mean, last night we went out with friends just for a little backyard party, and man, it was nice. It was good just to hang out with friends. So, you know, life is for living, not for saving for the end of it, right? So we're making money on distribution, some of us. Some of us have side hustles. Some of us have jobs still, and you're investing that money. So this video is about the dream, right? So I want to be able to take a portion of my distributions, a portion of money that I make on the side, a portion of my job right now, and be able to do something with it. So I've got a couple dreams coming up here. I hope I don't fall backwards. I'm going to end up sitting in that seat back there. Wish me luck on my backwards journey here. But the dreams are, well, I got a couple things, right? So number one, we want to go to Mexico for March break, Mexico. And that's looking at like $2,200 each, I'm going to say, for 3 of us. So that's kind of costly. And then I also want to build a shed. Now, we're looking at a shed right now. See that thing? Oh, but the shed isn't for the stuff. The shed is for myself, my friends, to go out, hang out, play poker, chill, watch TV maybe on the recliners, have a fireplace in there. Just trying to find the best place for this tripod. It's a little soft here. You know, things like that. I want to have a spot for us to hang out, other than like, you know, in the house, because in the house we got the kid trying to sleep. You know, I like to play poker. I like to play games. I think it would be cool to have a spot. And so the purpose and the premise of this video is that I want to start maybe chipping away at the cost of one of those sheds. And so what I want in the shed is a washroom. I think that one might be the hardest thing to do. Plumbing for out there. Permits for that. Oof, permits for that are annoying. I want to have it large enough to fit a poker table, 8 chairs that surround the poker table. I guess I got to find like 8 friends that want to play poker. Maybe I should do that first before I build this thing. I'm thinking 2 recliners, like nice ones, a TV, and then the big one is a fireplace in there. Like I want to be able to go out there in the winter without having to put on a heater. I want fire, right? Manly man. I want manly man stuff, fire out there. But to do this, all morning, I've been looking at YouTube videos on building a shed, blah, blah, doing it on my own. I don't have the necessary skills to build it on my own. Speaking of manly man, I'm an office worker. I'm now a real estate agent. I'm not a manly man. I don't know about you. If you are, come on over. Maybe you can help build my shed. But I'm looking at anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 to build this. We're talking like a cement pad. We're talking plumbing, hydro, windows, roof, construction, right? Wood, material. So 20 to 30 grand for this. I don't have that hanging around right now. So I'm going to be working on the dream. Is there a dream that you're thinking of right now that you would like to work on other than retirement? So I've talked about 2 dreams so far. One is going to Mexico, family vacation. I could pop that onto the credit card right now and then pay it off over time. Could do that, right? Let's talk about a little bit realistic with that, right? So credit card interest rate is, you know, around 19%. That's too much. So what I could do is put it on the credit card and then shift the line of credit over to that. And that's like, you know, prime plus 1%, way better than 19%. So that's probably a little more logical to do. And then the shed, and I want to talk about realistic targets here. Let's say I'm starting from $0 right now. and I want to build this $20,000 to $30,000 shed. I could do line of credit and build it right now, but I want to talk realistic and like making money towards building that dream. And so right now the overall target is build the portfolio to retire as soon as humanly possible. But what about the in between? So what if we, and I'm just spitballing here, brainstorming, you guys brainstorm a little bit with me. What if we took 10% from every distribution, put it into maybe a safer option? Up here in Canada, we have this one called HHIS through Harvest, and they try and they buy the shares of these companies, the top 6 companies in the US. It could be 8. Let's go with 6 though. And they actually buy shares of these companies, and then they write cover calls on 50% of that portfolio. The other 50% is for share growth. So what if I put 10% from every distribution into HHIS until I got to my goal of $20,000 to $30,000? Now, to put that in perspective, last year I think I brought in about 17,000 in distributions. So we're talking like 1,700 over the next year. That's not going to go real quick. I also make, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I make YouTube videos, and they're doing pretty well. I think I talk about a lot of things that you and I really care about. And what if I put that entire allotment into this as well? Right? What if I put 10% from every paycheck into this? Now it's going to be growing a lot faster, and that dream of that shed of hanging out with my buddies, right? A little bit of mental health there, hanging out with the fellas, once every couple of weeks, a place for us to hang out. What if I did all of that? I would get there a lot quicker, wouldn't I? So I think I want to start working towards that. I want to build up that HHIS, which is going to pay me a distribution every month. I'm still used to saying 4 weeks, but every month, 25 cents per share so far. It could be a good idea. I like it. I'm kind of like interested in that. But part of this channel I want to talk about is like the dream, right? I got the garden behind me. I got the corn up here. I've got the, what is this thing? Pepper plant. I got the cucumbers over there. Tomatoes way back there somewhere, tomatoes. But, homesteading a little bit. I mean, it's not going to save us a ton of money, but it's fun to do. What kind of dreams do you guys have out there? Other than retirement, what else are you thinking of doing with your money? What is something you just want to do, and how do we get you there? That's the question I want you to ask yourself. How do we get you there sooner than later, right? Why put off what you want to do right now for 20 years from now when you're old and can't walk and your back hurts and you have all these medical issues? Why not do it right now? What can you do to do it right now? The dream, everybody. Think about it. And let me know below what your dream is. Maybe you'll create a new dream for me on that front. So anyways, I thought this is kind of an interesting subject to talk about. I posted something on my Twitter about how the stock market, all of its crashes that happened, and S&P 500 down 50%. Oh my goodness. And I thought to myself, well, that's the doom, right? That's the doom and gloom of the stock market. So why not utilize some of the money that I'm investing heavily right now into creating some sort of dream for myself, something fulfilling for myself to do in life? And I think that's probably a good idea. I thought about my garage, by the way, but in the winter I like to park my cars in there because it snows like a foot a day over here in Canada, so can't do that. But I also don't want, like, I was thinking about putting the shed like right here, but there's a big tree in the way. I don't want to cut down that tree. So I'm thinking like over that way is a good spot for it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Sorry for the zooming and the scrolling here. It's probably hurting your eyes a little bit, but yeah, what do you guys think about my idea? If I had a shed out there, and I mean, I can make it a YouTube studio. We could do this as a tax write-off, probably, right? A business expense. Oh, man, the ideas are coming. What kind of ideas do you have out there? Let me know what you're thinking. If you have a goal, you've now created this dream because of this video. How long is it going to take you to get there with doing 10% of your distributions going towards it, 10% of your job going to it, 10% of your side hustle going to it? How long is it going to take you to get your dream, your goal, your target? I think it's important that you guys have something in life other than just investing. Focus on, the fun in life. What is fun for you? Go out and do it. Have fun. And don't go so heavy on the stress of investing. For me, investing is fun. Still, it's a lot of fun, actually. I enjoy doing it. And, if I think about it, I build this shed, this man cave, this she shed for my wife, right? For my other half. Not only am I building $20,000 to $30,000 right there, but that's $20,000 to $30,000 plus in equity on our house because it's raising the value of our home. That's an interesting way of thinking about it, isn't it? So, anyways, tell me, guys, what are you doing? Should I go to Mexico for March? We call it March break up here for the kiddo. I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. March break, Mexico. I just gotta pull the trigger and make it happen, right? So, what's your dream? What are you focused on? Tell me in the chat below. What are you doing with your distributions? If I said you can't invest all of it back into the fund, and you can't invest all of it into your life, you gotta create a dream for yourself. What dream are you creating? My name is Mike. This channel right over here is Health and Wealth. Have a great day. Bye for now.